Hi everyone, I'm Bunny with Infinity Insurance, and today I'm going to teach you how to change a flat tire. Let's get started. First, turn off your ignition and turn on your hazard lights. This will let other drivers see you. Next, apply your parking brake. This will make sure your car doesn't accidentally start to roll and will add an additional layer of safety. Most cars will come with a lug wrench, a jack, and a spare tire. If you're missing any of these, you should call a professional to change your tire or go to a tire shop. Now it's time to loosen the lug nuts. Loosen them no more than half a turn, but make sure you don't remove them yet. Next, we have to raise the vehicle with the jack. Make sure you use a safe jacking point, and you can find where it is in your owner's manual. Raise your vehicle until it's about 6 inches off the ground. Now that the car is off the ground, it's time to remove the lug nuts and the tire. Since you already loosened the lug nuts, you might even be able to remove them by hand. Once here, it's time to put the new tire on. First, we need to mount the spare tire on the lug bolts. Line up the bolts with the holes and push gently. Now, you'll need to tighten the bolts by hand. Since our Jeep has 5 bolts, it's a good idea to do this in a star pattern. Once all the bolts are on, continue hand tightening. It's time to lower the car. Using the jack, lower the vehicle so that the tire is on the ground. But don't remove it yet. The jack should still be supporting some of the vehicle's weight. At this point, using the lug wrench, tighten the bolts in a clockwise direction. Tighten them as much as possible. Finally, remove the jack and put everything away. Lastly, unless your car has a full-size spare tire, it will have a space saver spare, which is designed for short distances at a low speed. Be sure to replace or repair the normal tire as soon as possible. Until next time, I'm Bunny with Infinity.